Class 10 English, Unit 10, Reading 2. Popularity of different sports in the world. Hard word meaning. Immemorial, existing for a very long time, beyond memory. अति प्राचीन सम्झिन नसकिने समयदेखि रहेको. Recreational, done for enjoyment or relaxation. मनोरञ्जन वा आरामका लागि गरिने. Tremendous, very good, huge, enormous. अत्यन्त ठुलो, विशाल, धेरै. Boast, to have something impressive or remarkable. गर्व गर्न लायक रूपमा हुनु, विशेष वा ठुलो मात्रामा. Elongated, made longer or stretched out. लम्बिएको, लामो बनाइएको. Mound, a small raised area or heap of earth. माटोको सानो थुप्रो डिस्को, उचालिएको भाग. Dribble, to move a ball forward by repeatedly kicking or bouncing it. बललाई पटक पटक खुट्टाले हानेर वा उछालेर अगाडि बढाउनु. Pastime, an activity done for enjoyment during free time. फुर्सदको समयमा मनोरञ्जनका लागि गरिने काम. Tackling, trying to take the ball from an opponent in a sport. खेलमा विपक्षीबाट बल खोज्ने प्रयास गर्नु. Fill in the crossword puzzle with the correct words from the text. Across, a person who works as a professional, especially in sports. Athlete, existing for longer than people can remember. Very old, immemorial. Possible to oppose, enter or use. Accessible, long and thin, often in a way that is unusual. Elongated, down, a British game played by two teams using a ball and bat. Cricket, connected with activities that people do for pleasure when they are not working. Recreational, a hit of a ball before it touches the ground. Volley, a large pile of earth or stones or a small hill. Mound, showing or feeling respect and slight fear. Awe. Choose the correct alternative and answer the questions. Which two games are popular in the world for their cheap equipment? Football and basketball. In which countries is cricket particularly popular? India, Pakistan, and Australia. What is the significant difference between regular volleyball and pitch volleyball? The number of players. Which of the following games involve the use of ball and bat? Baseball and cricket. Which country is supposed to have named golf? The Netherlands. Which of the following games have their varieties in terms of the places they are played? Hockey and volleyball. Answer the following questions. Mention any two reasons behind the popularity of sports in the world. The two reasons behind the popularity of sports in the world are: they provide entertainment and recreation and help people stay physically fit and healthy. What do historical evidences say about the origin of football? Historical evidence suggests that football-like games were played in ancient China about 2000 years ago. The modern form of football, however, developed in England in the 19th century. What is the main difference between cricket and baseball? There is a significant difference in their playing field. Cricket has a long rectangular pitch at the center of the field where the ball is bowled to the batsman, whereas baseball has a mound at the center of a diamond-shaped field from where the ball is thrown to the batter at the home plate. How is the regular volleyball played? Regular volleyball is played by two teams of 6 players. The players hit the ball over a net using their hands, trying to make it land in the opponent's court. Who originated basketball and when? A teacher named James Naismith originated basketball in 1891 in the United States. What risk is involved in rugby? Rugby involves the risk of physical injuries because players tackle and make a strong physical contact with one another. Writing 2. Write a dialogue between you and your friend about the upcoming sports day or week in your school. Include the following points in the dialogue. Time and venue of the sports day or week, types of events, participants, prize distribution, etc. एसए एक्जाममा डायलग राइटिङ 6 मार्क्सको आउँछ। सो यो डायलग राइटिङ कसरी लेख्दाखेरि चाहिँ पर्फेक्ट 6 मार्क्स स्कोर गर्न सकिन्छ भन्ने कुरा यो भिडियोमा स्टेप बाई स्टेप एक्सप्लेन गरिएको छ। यु क्यान गो टु द च्यानल एन्ड वाच दिस भिडियो। नाउ लेट्स मुभ टु द एन्सर।